In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Teams. This simple feature can make a significant difference in your daily work environment, reducing eye strain and giving your workspace a sleek, modern look. Whether you're working late into the night or simply prefer the aesthetics, turning on dark mode is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your device. This can be done through your desktop application or by navigating to your browser and logging in through the Teams website. Once you've loaded Teams, you're ready to take the next steps. Activating dark mode can significantly enhance your viewing experience, so here's how you do it. Next, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the Teams interface. There you'll notice an icon with three dots stacked vertically, commonly known as the More Settings menu, or sometimes referred to as the ellipsis menu. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu that offers various options and features. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings menu is where you can customize various aspects of your Microsoft Teams experience, and it's the doorway to enabling dark mode. This will open up a new pop-up window with several tabs of options. Within this window, you'll want to find and click on the Appearance tab. This is where you can adjust the visual elements of your Teams application. From here, you can choose how you wish the interface to look based on your preferences. Appearance settings offer a few themes, and dark mode is one of them. Now you are presented with the option to follow your operating system theme or manually select a theme for Teams. If you wish for Teams to automatically align with the theme set on your computer, you can select Follow Operating System Theme. However, to specifically enable dark mode regardless of your system settings, the next step is crucial. Simply click on Dark and immediately see the interface switch from the current theme to dark mode. Your entire Teams layout will change to a darker color palette, giving it a crisp and less obtrusive appearance, especially beneficial during extended sessions in low light conditions. And voila, congratulations, you have successfully turned on dark mode in Microsoft Teams. Enjoy working with a cooler, more comfortable interface. If at any point you wish to switch back, simply revisit these settings and make your desired adjustments. Thank you for tuning in, and happy collaborating in the newly darkened workspace.